Hi, good morning. This is Anusha, and I have pursued my BTech in Computer Science and Engineering and graduated in 2021 from St. Peter's Engineering College. Right now, I'm working in Amazon as a transport specialist. Since have always been keen and very interested in teaching, so I think Byju's is a very great platform for me to start it with. So let's get into the topic. Right now, I have chosen the topic angles, lights, and angles. So this is our today's topic, lines and angle. So let's start with lines. Before I get too much into the lines, let me get few basics into the line before. Okay. So let's start. The basics for this is points, rays, line segments, and then lines. Now what's a point? A point is nothing but which is represented as a dot, and its representation is a single letter with its coordinates of x and y. That is, if I represent it in a graph and this is my point A, then this would be my x coordinate and this would be my y coordinate. So that's how I represent it, x coordinate comma y coordinate. This is a point. And now rays. A ray is nothing but which is extended from a point in one direction. It might be in any direction, but I'm extending the ray in a single direction. Let's suppose this is my ray. I represent it in the way, this is my representation. If it's O, this is my representation. Now, what's a line segment? A line segment is nothing but which is something which lies in between 2 points. If this is my point A and this is my point O, this is the line segment. I represent it in this way. Now, let's come to the line. A line is something which is extended in both the direction infinitely. In ray, we only extend the segment in one direction. But when it comes to lines, we extend it in both the directions. So this is point A and this is point O. This is our line segment. I'm extending this in this direction and also in this direction. This is called as line. The lines, we got one definition, that is distance between 2 points is nothing but 2 of x1 minus x2 plus y1 minus y2. This is about the lines. Now let's jump into angles. So what is an angle? Basically, an angle is nothing but a geometrical shape which lies in between 2 rays. For example, this is the point where 2 rays are intersecting with each other. The geometrical shape between these 2 angles is called as an angle. This is called as an angle. This is called as an angle. It's nothing but a geometrical shape which is in between the intersection of the 2 rays. And the angles are generally represented in either in degrees or in radians. This is how generally angles are represented. Okay, let's jump to the types of angles that we have. Types. What are the types? Let's start with right angle triangle. Right angle. Right angle is nothing but where the angle is equal to 90 degrees. Sharp 90 degrees. Let's consider this as point A. And its representation would be in the slanted LA. This is the angle representation. If we are representing it only for one point. If we are representing in between the intersection, let's suppose if I given the coordinates like B and C, then it would be represented in the way like BAC. Okay. So this is a right angle. A right angle is nothing but where the angle is exactly equal to 90 degrees. Now, next type is obtuse angle, where the angle is less than 90 degrees. It can be anywhere from 0 to 90. It's less than 90 degrees. Now, it's obtuse angle, where the angle is greater than 90 degrees. That it can be from 90 to 180. Greater than 90 and less than 180 degrees. Now the next one is straight angle. Here the angle is equal to 180 degrees. These are the types of angle we got. We also have other one which is a rotate angle where it is equal to 360 degrees. So these are the types of angles that we got right now. And there are also a simple transversal law where we, okay, let me start. Okay, now transversal laws. Transversal law is nothing but if we consider two parallel lines and we are intersecting these two parallel lines by using an intersection, then all the internal angles will be equal with each other. Okay, let me first write the angles, then I'll let you know. That would make things easier and understandable. Let's consider this as angle 1, angle 2, angle 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. Here I got few laws. First one is angle 4 is equal to angle 6. And angle 5 is equal to angle 3. This is called as alternate internal angles. Then I got this one first angle of the one exterior angle is equal to the one interior angle which are opposite directions of the intersecting one. That is 1 is equal to 6 which are opposite to the intersecting line, and one in exterior and other one is in interior. Now I'll apply the same to everyone. 2 is equal to 5. 4 is equal to 7. 3 is equal to 8. These angles are called as supplementary angles. And then I got exterior angles. Exterior angles are nothing but just same like this one. Here I 1 is equal to 7. Both are exterior and opposite direction of the intersections. So 1 is equal to 7 and 2 is equal to 8. These are called as alternative exterior angles. These are about the angles, and thank you.